My name is Dr. Muhammad Yasin. I am the Director of Infection Prevention Control at Bradford Teaching Hospitals NHS Foundation Trust. As many of you might have seen the news that Australia reported a record number of cases this year, and Japan have already declared a national epidemic in their country because of the number of cases they have, and that is an indication that in the UK as well we may have a winter where we may see more flu cases, and it has already started in the UK. We are already seeing number of cases which is more than expected, so the flu season officially has started earlier than we expected. The most important measure or preventive measure that we take is the vaccination. We take other precautions as well, but vaccination is very, very important for your protection and the protection of others around you. There are lots of misconceptions about the vaccine which also need to be addressed. Major one is that people think when you take the vaccine you get the disease. This is wrong perception. This is a myth. You don't get a disease by taking the vaccine, because the vaccine contains inactivated or dead viruses. They can't cause the disease. What happens is your body reacts to the vaccine to produce antibodies against the virus. That's why some people get flu-like symptoms. Those symptoms are mild and can be for 1 or 2 days only, but that is not a disease that you get after getting the vaccine. So it is still better to take the vaccine rather than suffering from the disease. The other misconception is about the animal products in the vaccine. This is also not true. The injectable flu vaccine does not contain any animal products or porcine gelatin. So porcine gelatin is only included in the spray, nasal spray, but injectable flu vaccine is free of any animal product or porcine gelatin. It is very important that you take your vaccine to look after the patients if you are a healthcare worker. So if you stay safe, you can look after others, you can look after your patients, you can look after your loved ones, and if you are safe, the others are safe as well. So that's the importance of vaccine, not only to protect yourself but to protect people around you. So get your flu jab today. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay safe.